Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. CeCe Winans for Spirit-Filled More Than This concert in Kingston.
Oh, Jesus.
The tongue of the multi-award winning gospel artist presents to show up and show out during the Jamaican leg of her More Than This tour, and it did. On Friday evening, more than 15,000 gathered on the lawns of East King's House for an unforgettable night of praise and worship. Performances from Chevelle Franklin, Kevin Downswell and others energized the crowd ahead of the main act. Speaking with the Prime, the singer expressed her excitement to perform on home soil.
And it's always just great worshiping with my people and the love from them, and that was what I was looking forward to tonight.
The far and wide, not only with the and young adults.
More and more, the message in gospel music has been igniting a whole new excitement among the new generation. And when I see how the youth has been responding to the message of, I say Jamaica is in good hands.
While making Dr. Ocherias for Best Weekend Ever and Weekend, the spiritual experience at More Than This was unmatched.
I'm not really the type of person to go to any other type of event or anything like that. That's not me, but this is me. Jesus is me. Who I'm about.
My member overseas have to book me a VIP ticket. I said, no man, I want to come out the front because she's my favorite gospel artist.
We knew we had to be here. There was no way we weren't going to be here, and it was more than everything that we thought we would get from it. You know, just the presence of God is just wonderful. And we got so much of that from not just CeCe, but everybody.
The event not only united regular churchgoers, but others as well. It also created a safe and welcoming space for the elderly and the disabled.
It's about inclusivity and spreading love to all and allowing everybody to be able to experience this. And with the Open Door Jamaica Foundation as a beneficiary that focuses on persons living with disabilities, we had to make sure that the elderly and those who have other challenges that impact their mobility could have a great experience. And I do think it's something that more events in Jamaica should take note of.
The evening also saw CeCe Winans being presented with the keys to the city of Kingston by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, and Gaspro handing over a check for a 1-year supply of gas to the Yadel home. Net proceeds from the event will go toward several local charities, including the Governor General's Program for Excellence, the Bustamante Hospital for Children's Ophthalmology Unit, Yadel Home, Open Door Foundation, and others. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.